Hi, this is the ASUS ROG Phone 7 and I'll show you all the box accessories with which our device comes. So open first the box. So let's check, and we could find here first the adapter, the original charger with all of the specifications. The next thing here, that is the USB, the Type-C cable, and also let's check this paper box. Here we got the SIM eject tool, the protective case, the plastic one, the case, and also we got here some paperwork like the warranty card, quick start guides, and the safety information. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.